So guys, for the first step, you're going to head over to search and type in File Explorer Options. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you're going to click on the View tab. And now you're going to scroll down and you're going to untick Hide Extensions for new file types. Untick this and then click on OK. And now for the second step, you're going to head over to the link, which will be down below in the description. It's going to be taking us to Cloud Convert. And now it should be saying right here, Convert MP3 to WAV. If it does not say it, you're going to click on this and you're going to search for MP3. Select it, click on this, search for WAV, select it. So it should be saying MP3 to WAV, and then click on select file. Now you want to find where you have your MP3 file saved. For me, it's in my downloads folder. Here it is. I'm going to double click on this. Make sure that it says convert to WAV right here, and then click on convert. Wait for this to load. And then once that's loaded up, you're going to click on download. Now I'm going to right click on this, show in folder. And now it's in WAV format.